Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. In this video, I'm just going to show you how to set up email forwarding in Gmail. So if you want emails that are being sent to your Gmail to be forwarded to another email address, so if you want them sent to like a Hotmail or something along those lines, then stay tuned to find out how to do this. If this video does help you out, then please leave a like and drop a comment below. And if you are new to the channel, then don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So let's get straight into it. So obviously the first thing you're going to want to do is come across to your Gmail account. And the steps to do this, it's not that, it's actually quite easy to do. So what you want to do is open up your Gmail account first and log in. And then once you're logged in, what you're going to want to do from here is go up to the top right hand corner and you want to click onto the settings icon. So that's this gear icon up here. So once you've clicked onto that, you're going to get a quick settings drop down menu like so. But what you want to do is actually click onto the box underneath where it says see all settings. And this is actually going to take you to your settings page. So from the settings page, you've actually got some options here at the top of the page underneath settings. So there's some options across the top of the page. And what you want to do is locate the one that says forwarding and pop IMAP. And then just go and give that a click. And then what you're going to want to do, you'll see at the first section, it says forwarding. So you just want to click this box here, which says add a forwarding address. And then what you're going to want to do from here is enter an email address that you want to use as your forwarding email. So I'm going to use one of my Hotmail accounts as an example. And then what you want to do is click the blue next button down here. And it's going to come up asking to, and then what's going to happen, it's going to come up with a confirmation box. So you just want to go ahead and click proceed. And then what you're going to have to do from here is actually go into the email address that you set up to be your forwarding email. So what would have happened is Gmail is going to send a code to that email address. So you want to log in and obviously get that verified just to confirm that it belongs to yourself. So what you'll do is just go into your email like so. And then in the actual email, you'll see it's going to give some information. It's going to give you the confirmation code. But what you can do is just click this blue link. And that's going to verify that email address. So you'll see it comes up saying, please confirm forwarding mail of my Gmail to my Hotmail email address. And then I'm just going to click confirm underneath. And that's all set up ready to go. So from here, what you're going to want to do is actually come back to your Gmail and you want to go back into the settings. So I'm just going to go and refresh the page. So you want to go back into the settings and go back onto forwarding from the settings page. And once that's done, you'll see that your forwarding section has actually got the email address added now. So to actually turn this on, what you need to do is click the radio button down here to forward a copy of incoming mail to your forwarding email address. Also, if you've added multiple, then what you can do is obviously click this drop down box and choose which email address to use as a forwarding email. And then what you can do is choose what you want to do with the message that gets sent to the Gmail address as well. So you can delete the Gmail copy. In other words, what's going to happen is when it gets sent to your Gmail, it'll get forwarded to your Hotmail or whichever forwarding email service you're using. And then what's going to happen, the Gmail original email would be deleted. You can archive it, you can mark it as read, or what you can do is just keep Gmail's copy in the inbox, which means obviously that you'll have a copy of the email sent to your Gmail and your forwarding email address as well. So you just want to go and choose the appropriate option like so. Once that's all done, all you need to do is scroll down to the bottom and click save changes down here. And what's going to happen, you're just going to get a notice at the top to say you are forwarding your email to blah blah blah, whatever email address. this notice will end in 7 days, so they put that there for 7 days just to remind you that you've got the forwarding option on. If at any point you want to turn the email forwarding off, again, it's very simple to do. All you want to do is come back into your settings, come back to the forwarding and pop, and then just click onto the radio button which says disable forwarding. Then obviously come down and make sure to click the save changes box at the bottom. And yeah, that's pretty much how you do it. So I hope you found that helpful. If that did help you out today, then please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below. If you go and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.